So this one is called our
Droplet
clutch. So I guess the name came from Naomi when she designed this one. They look like droplets. To me, it looks like a wedge of a fruit or something. But
oh yeah, could be like a melon.
And we've used our wonderful Cork fabric there. So this design is available to buy just as a design, a download that you would do normally with one of our designs, or you can buy the supply kit. So if you would like to make this clutch, this purse exactly the way we've made it, on the website, we'll have a link to it too, is the supply kit where you get a roll of our wonderful faux leather. So this one is called Pebbled Red, and that's what we've used in the clutch. Then this is our Cork fabric. So it's very, very thin and very easy to stitch. It's called Party Time. It's got that beautiful print on it, and they go so well together. And then we've included, we don't sell our zippers separately. We sell them in a pack of 6 or 3. So in this supply kit, you'll get a pack of 3. So you should have enough materials here to maybe get 2, maybe 3, depending on how you use those fabrics.
And depending on what size you stitch it.
What size hoop you use, that's right. So you get all of this in the supply kit. These are our beautiful ruby coloured zippers with our beautiful little the tab on the zipper with our name. Makes it look luxurious, and then on there. So the only thing you don't get in the supply kit is the clasp, because we figured people like to fasten their purses all different ways. So this is just a magnetic one we've got, but you can use whatever. So you don't get that in the hoop, in the kit. You'll just get these 3 items plus the design files for that. So you get a choice. You can buy the supply kit, or you can just buy the pattern for that one.